How to enable camera on Google Chrome browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable the camera on Google Chrome browser easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Google Chrome. This is the home page. Now go to the top right here, click on those three dots, and after you click on the three dots, now go down to settings, and after you click on settings, now click right here on privacy and security. And now all what you have to do is scroll down and click on site settings. And now all what you have to do is scroll down again and click on camera. And now click right here if you want to enable the camera. It's very easy and fast, and you can also choose the camera from here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the very end. See you later.